Growing a YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a solid strategy. Here are some key tips to help you on your journey. Content is king. Quality. Invest in good production equipment and editing software to create high-quality videos. Consistency. Create a content calendar and stick to a regular upload schedule. Relevance. Understand your target audience and create content that resonates with their interests. Engagement. Encourage viewer interaction through comments, likes, and shares. A YouTube SEO. Keyword research. Use tools to find relevant keywords and incorporate them into your titles, descriptions, and tags. Optimize titles and descriptions. Write compelling titles and detailed descriptions that accurately reflect your content. Use relevant tags. Add relevant tags to help YouTube categorize your videos and reach a wider audience. And build a community. Engage with viewers. Respond to comments, answer questions, and build relationships with your audience. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote each other's channels. I'll encourage subscriptions. Make it easy for viewers to subscribe by adding clear calls to action in your videos and descriptions. Promote your channel. Social media. Share your videos on other social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out regular updates about your channel. Paid advertising. Consider using YouTube ads to promote your videos to a targeted audience. Leverage YouTube's features. YouTube Shorts. Create short-form videos to attract new viewers and boost your channel's visibility. Community posts. Share updates, polls, and discussions with your audience. YouTube Analytics. Use YouTube Analytics to track your channel's performance and make data-driven decisions. Patience and persistence. Consistency. Keep creating high-quality content consistently. Learn and adapt. Stay updated on YouTube trends and adjust your strategy as needed. Don't give up. Growing a successful YouTube channel takes time. Stay patient and keep working hard. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and promoting your channel consistently. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your YouTube goals.